Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a new type of thing. This is a game called Blox Fruits. We really enjoyed this game. We played it for a decent while. We've been playing it for about an hour, 2 hours.
Yeah, we're just now pulling into the pirate village.
I know, I stole Josh's boat. He's still quite angry about it.
Yeah, it's 300 for his boat and he just stole that.
Quest, let's have a look at this.
Pirates, I'm going straight for the weakest ones.
Yeah, same. 3,000! It's stronger than the Monkey King.
Now level 45!
Oh, Jesus Christ.
These guys are no joke!
Bro, I said keep it low key. Bloody hell.
I know! You guys go for me!
Bro, we traded.
I'm gonna die! No, I'm not gonna die!
I killed mine. I can help.
Come on, man!
You said you were going to die and you were that weak.
You didn't have to do that, though.
Hang on.
You said
Swords Dealer of the West.
you said just gonna help.
Wait, dual katana or iron mace? 25k?
What?
And this is 12k. I'm going to buy that. That's pretty cool.
Where are you? Where?
Oh, I bought
What'd you buy?
the dual katana.
4,000? Jesus.
Oh, I've got a completely new mastery.
Wait, whirlwind?
Oh, this is actually insane.
This is so good. I'm destroying pirates now.
Yeah, these are looking easy to me now.
Yeah, I just destroyed a pirate.
I might do a glory series on this, because this game is sick. We've been literally playing it for like 3 hours straight and we've still been enjoying it. Like, it hasn't even getting boring at one part.
Yeah, well, I'm dead. I died.
I got him!
I just... don't.
This is a new one I had!
No, you said I got it. That was literally the one I was fighting.
Nah, that was a new one I found and I got him weak. Oh my god, I don't like this. I'm getting in your boat and running. Jesus.
Stop taking my boat! Your pirate is now attacking me!
I'm on 43 health.
I got 21 fighting 2 pirates at the same time because yours is now attacking me. Stop taking my pirates! My pirates, man.
Oh, whoa! That's a bit scary.
Well, I got my defense to level 25 now.
Nice, what's your max health?
220.
Mine's 245.
I need to run pirates. He's just killing every pirate.
Oh, come on, man. That's too easy.
It's like level 900 or something.
Whoa! Level Bobby, he's a boss, level 55.
I'm just fighting pirates, man. I'm only killed 2
Misk Blacksmith? What?
Yeah, blacksmith, if you didn't know.
Hi, I can upgrade your weapons. It's a sword.
Oh, this guy just stole my shield. The big, massive...
Where can you buy guns from?
I don't know. But the massive guy just stole
I'm I'm not even going to use Google at all this game. All I'm going to do is communicating with the people and finding out on my own.
I'm not even communicating with people. Stop stealing my kills.
That was the last pirate I need, sorry.
I've got 2 pirates. I've killed 2 pirates.
Ow!
Oh, good. If I get hit once by this pirate, I'm dead. Oh, I backed into 2 pirates. Don't kill them. You're actually so annoying. You're going after my pirates, man.
You can't just have 3 of them on your own. It's not fair.
I didn't try to have 3 of them on my own.
So why are you saying I couldn't have one of them?
When you try to
Oh, I can set this as my home point. Yes, please.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that next time I die.
Alright, home point set. I set my home point outside here.
How you actually try to steal that kill just then? Yes, I'm doing this the same point. Wait, so if we leave the game now, we can just spawn here.
Yeah, when we rejoin. I really want to get a gun.
Same.
For when I do have a gun, it's already level 17.
Right, 7 it out. Pirates, just one more pirate. How many pirates do you have to kill, or have you finished the challenge?
I'm gonna get a bit of paper. I finished it already, but I'm gonna get a bit of paper and like note down where things are on the map. Because obviously this map's gonna be hard to remember. So
I got leather.
you are what?
Leather.
Oh, you use that to upgrade the thing.
When I get a gun, it's gonna be a level 6.
I wonder where I get a gun from.
I'm just in pirate. I like how we can kill stuff that's dropped that is a higher level than us.
Yeah, but it's because we've got swords. Oh, level required 40.
44.
I'm gonna do another pirate side quest.
Stop
I was trying to talk to Pirate Adventurer, but you walked in the front.
killing cars. Don't kill me.
Motion detected at the front door.
I'm so sorry.
You're not done. Just keep trying to kill me.
Hey, sorry, it was so good of an opportunity. You were that weak.
Yeah, because you kept killing me as I was trying to get the pirate.
Yeah, I was talking to the guy, and then you walked in the way of me, so I didn't also hear. Okay, I've killed 2 out of 8.
I'm about to kill 2 out of 8.
Ooh! Uh-huh.
Don't laugh at me, man.
No, I'm not laughing at you. I just cheap shopped the pirate and then ran off. No, my one's going for you. Come back.
Get your...
Mine's the weak one, by the way.
I know, I'm not trying to kill the weak one, just so you know.
Yeah, I took him back.
No, you haven't.
Yeah, I killed him though, it's fine.
Leave this pirate, you idiot!
Run, I'm weak, don't kill me, please.
Why do you always try and steal my kill?
Later.
You steal everything I do! Everything I do, you try to steal.
Oh god, I'm weak. Oh my god.
If anything's stealable of what I do, you steal it.
Oh, Jesus.
I will stop one thing off you,
Yeah, you have.
but every time you try to steal something off me in this game, you do. God damn it! That's you killing me as well.
No, it wasn't because it says you can't PvP this person because they died recently.
How do I take my PvP off? Even when my PvP's off, you still kill me somehow. And I don't know how. And why are we complaining that why continue clipping to the video anyway?
Yeah. Right, so I've killed 6 out of 8 pirates.
I killed 4 out of 8. Okay, I got 5. There we go. 6 pirates.
Oh, I've got 2 on me.
Yeah, same.
One down, 1 to go.
1 out, 1 down.
Oh, I managed to do it on my own. I killed them both, and now I got my mastery quest done.
I got to kill 2 more.
Okay, I'm gonna upgrade my defense so I can take on more at once.
You think we can fly here?
That's a good debate.
One more pirate, let me kill it.
Let's actually go back to spawn and find out. You getting in?
Yes. Give me a second.
You've got 10 seconds to get in.
My boat. Come on, man, it's my boat.
It's not got your name on it. Is that spawn?
No, pretty sure it's not. Let me just check.
Oh, I think it is.
Let's hope not, because big dude's here. No, it's not, it's my old town.
It's Middletown.
Yeah, I didn't find anyone here now. No, sorry. Damn it. Right. Look out when in front of us. No, go right. Go right a bit more. Yeah, I think this is us.
Bro, I haven't returned to this place in like 2 or 3 hours.
Wait, how long has this school been going on for? 2 hours. We've been playing for 2 hours and 8 minutes.
Yeah, this is spawn.
No, this is the marine starter.
Huh?
This is the marine starter.
Oh, we just get out of here then.
Okay, let's go to the other one. The last one.